Do you feel stuck when you speak English? Do you want more confidence? In this video, we will say simple and powerful sentences together. These lines will help you feel strong, think positive, and speak better every day. Just repeat after me and see the change in yourself. Let's start.
I am focused on my goals. I am working hard every day. I am learning from my mistakes. I am becoming more confident. I know that success takes time. I will not give up.
Great job! You did amazing today. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become.